we solve x plus 2 equal to 5. So what we do here first is we subtract the 2 to get rid of the 2. It's going to be minus 2 on both sides, minus 2, which means x plus 2 minus 2 is going to be equal to 5 minus 2. So we subtract the 2 from both sides, and then we have to do the calculation on the left hand side. So plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, and on the right hand side 5 minus 2 is obviously equal to 3. So at the end, on the left hand side, we are left only with x plus 0 equal to 3. The final solution is x equal to 3. And to verify that we are right, so we go here and we put x plus 2, and if x is equal to 3, it's going to be 3 plus 2, and this is effectively equal to 5. That it is here. Now let's see a different example. This time we will do similar equation, but instead we do minus 3 equal to 5. So this time we have to get rid of minus 3, so we have to add 3, and of course we have to do it on both sides, so to keep the balance true. So which means will be x minus 3 equal to 5 plus 3. So what we did, we just added plus 3 on the left and plus 3 on the right. Now next step would be is to do the calculation on the left. This minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0, and on the right 5 plus 3 is obviously equal to 8. So on the left we are left only with x, and on the right we are left with 8, and the final solution is x equal to 8. Okay, so now we can verify the equation if it's correct. So we have x minus 3, and if x is equal to 8, it's going to be 8 minus 3, and 8 minus 3 is exactly equal to 5, and this 5 is exactly what we have in the beginning. So it means that we solved our equation and we know the value of x that satisfies this equation. Okay, so now let's try to understand the difference between the two equations. So we're going to draw a line here, and we try to solve this equation, x plus 3 equal to 7 and x minus 3 equal to 7. So they are both almost the same, but here we have plus and here we have minus. So let's start. So if here we have plus, then we should subtract the 3, which means that we should do minus 3. And of course I have to do it on both sides. Whatever I do on the left, I should do on the right. So I put minus 3 as well here to keep the balance. So I got write everything. So 7 minus 3, and here I have x plus 3. So what I did, I just took this part, I put it here. I did minus 3 on the left. I put this, whatever I found here, I put it here, and I put minus 3. So whatever I added on a different color on the left, I did the same on the right. And now I have to do the calculation. So plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 0, and 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Yeah, so here I'm left with x plus 0 is equal to 4, which means x is equal to 4, and this is the solution. Yeah, so let's double check here. So here we had x plus 3, but here we have x minus 3. So I'm not gonna do minus 3, but I have to get rid of minus 3. So I should do the opposite. I should add plus 3. And because I did it on the left, I should do it on the right as well, to keep the balance. Whatever I do on the left, I do on the right. So here similar, I did minus here. Here we do plus, plus. So it will become x minus 3 plus 3 equal to 7 minus 3. Here the same rule, I just whatever I added here, x minus 3 plus 3 and 7 plus 3. And and then we do the calculation. So this 2 minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0, and 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. And obviously here I'm left with x plus 0 is equal to 10, and the final solution is x equal to 10. Yeah, so notice here the difference. The difference is here I had the sign plus, so I subtract sign minus. Here I had the sign minus, but instead of subtraction I did addition, so I add. So the general rule is the following. So if you see the minus, then you should do the plus. If you see the plus, then you should do minus. And of course I do it on both sides, left and right. Okay, so let's do another example so we can just let's do x plus 2 equal to 3 and x minus 2 equal to 3. So feel free to pause the video and defend the answer. So here, first thing, I see that there is a plus here. What does it mean? It means I should subtract. I should subtract how? I should subtract the 2, because I have plus 2, so then automatically I should subtract 2. Now if I did it on the left, I should do it on the right. Rule number 2, whatever we do on the left, we do on the right. So I do minus 2. Yeah, so I write blindly what I had equal 3. Now it becomes only arithmetic, so I just need to calculate plus 2 minus 2. So this part is equal to 0, and 3 minus 2 is, of course, is equal to 1. Now, so x plus 0 is equal to 1, and the final solution is x equal to 1. Now the same, whatever I see the sign minus, so automatically I should add. So the opposite of minus is addition, so add how I will add 2. The rule number 2, whatever I do on the left I do on the right, so I should add 2 on the right as well to keep the balance, I mean to do the equal here. And then basically I just rewrite things this way. I do the calculation. What is the calculation? Gives me minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0, and 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. And now I am left only with x equal to 5. And that's the solution.